Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will find animals in mud. Let's go. Let's dig in there. What is this? Oh wow, it's a camel. Something in there. Oh, it's a female tiger. There is something. Wow, beautiful red lobster. I think it's a rhino. Yeah, it's a rhinoceros. Beautiful. Hey guys, what is this? It's a horse. Nice. It looks like a tiger. Yeah, it's a tiger, guys. We collect a lot of toys. Let's see what is this. It's a lovely crab. It's a sea animal. Wow, beautiful sheep. Oh, it's a giraffe. It looks like a dinosaur. Wow, beautiful green dinosaur. It's another beautiful dinosaur. Let's dig there. Oh wow guys, another green dinosaur. It's a T-Rex. Beautiful. I think it's a leopard. Let's see. Yes, it's a leopard. It looks like a zebra. Wow, beautiful zebra. See guys, we collect lots of animals. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.